Work is a wonderful thing that opens doors in our minds to new opportunities. It teaches, leads, and guides us. However, work can also be stressful and lonely. So let's improve work by creating a wellness and support culture with ConnectBrew by Wellwork. ConnectBrew connects remote workers to the in-person team through the staff coffee machine. Vibration sensors detect when the machine is activated and starts a video call to a randomly selected remote worker, replicating random in-person chats and building stronger connections from afar. The Wellwork desktop app integrates with Google Calendar to ensure video calls don't interrupt important meetings. The app can monitor employee activity anonymously and suggest coffee breaks to help restore concentration and improve mood. With our AI-generated conversation starters for Slack, users can get the conversation flowing with various topics to discuss in a break room channel. We also detect an employee's Slack status, preventing distractions during times of focus. Let's see how easy it is to set up ConnectBrew to improve workplace wellness and help remote workers stay connected with your team. First, power on your ConnectBrew. Then install the device onto your coffee machine. ConnectBrew will ask you to brew a coffee. It monitors the vibration when coffee brews to know when to trigger a call. Next, select the office Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. That's it. Next, download Wellwork for desktop. Once downloaded, enter your company email address and verify it using the link sent to your email. Next, provide your workplace details, including name, location, and logo. Then, invite your team by email domain, direct email invite, import contacts from Google, or send a custom link. Then, select which features employees can access. By default, all integrations are available to provide the best experience. Wellwork automatically scans for ConnectBrew and adds it to your workplace. Finally, add details such as your preferred name, profile picture, and integrations. Setup complete. Launching Wellwork gives employees an instant overview of features, including company mood, location, conversation starters, breathing sessions, wellness stats, and anonymous Q&A. Company Mood combines each employee's mood rating, allowing staff to feel more relatable to the team. It fosters a sense of empathy and support, particularly when the overall mood is low. For employers, Company Mood provides valuable insight into the overall wellness and morale. AI-generated conversation starters for Slack are an excellent way to facilitate engaging discussions among members, especially for remote workers who may feel isolated due to the lack of casual interactions. By promoting collaboration and team building, conversation starters can create a more connected work environment and foster a sense of community among employees. The Q&A lets your employees ask questions anonymously, creating a safe and open platform for employees to ask questions without hesitation. Employers can share responses publicly, promoting transparency and open communication, which provides job satisfaction and engagement. Your employees have quick access to their weekly wellness progress, helping them to become aware of how their working day can impact wellness. 1-minute breathing sessions open in full screen, blocking distractions, preventing stress, and improving focus, wellness, and productivity. Employees can view their team members, connected integrations, their profile, and their preferences. Workers can start a video call by selecting the button at the top of the sidebar, replicating the in-person ConnectBrew experience. Next, ConnectBrew. creating seamless communication between remote and in-person employees. When an employee makes coffee, ConnectBrew detects vibrations, starts a 5-second confirmation countdown, and then calls a randomly selected remote worker for a coffee catch-up. Workers have 10 seconds to answer and join the call, replicating the sudden chats that occur in person. ConnectBrew calls last 5 minutes and offer features such as toggling the microphone and camera, automatic closed captions, and full screen mode. Work-related chat is discouraged, therefore, screen sharing is not available. With ConnectBrew, even remote workers can feel more connected to their colleagues. Our device reduces the stress and challenges that come with remote work. By investing in ConnectBrew, you're not only supporting employees, but creating a workplace with a culture where wellness is a standard, not a company benefit. Give your employees the tool they need to thrive and see the positive impact on your business. ConnectBrew by Wellwork.